As indicated by our ongoing Gala cost forecast, the worth of truly Gala will expanded by 247.38%, coming to 15 cents by end of 2025, or so they really thought. All specialized pointers demonstrate that the ongoing feeling generally is negative, while the trepidation and covetousness record is perusing 26.47, and that implies intense apprehension. Our Gala figure: it's unsafe to sell Gala at the present time. On February 25, 2023, practically generally specialized investigation markers flagged bullish signs, while in every way that really matters, different pointers flagged negative signs, demonstrating a kind of broad negative opinion among Gala cost expectations. See the extremely accurate pretty Gala cost expectation underneath. You will generally know how essentially much lovely Gala is worth in the next few long stretches of time, which is very critical. Over the absolute most recent 30 days, Gala has in every way that really matters diminished by 18.19%. Because of this, we can explicitly get, with the exception of a slight recuperation in the approaching month. Toward the finish of February, the worth of Gala expanded by 110.47% and came to approach around $0.0852. As of now, all pointers truly are demonstrating negative zone, and the trepidation and veracity file basically shows 26.47, sort of intense feelings of dread in a significant manner. As per our conjecture, this in a real sense isn't the ideal opportunity to sell pretty Gala. Right now, kind of Gala is exchanging underneath the 200 basic moving commonly normal. For the very most recent 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA has shown a Gala selling signal, or so they thought. The cost of sort of Gala is at present running underneath the 50-day sort of straightforward moving normal, SMA, and it explicitly shows a sell signal, or so they essentially thought. As per every single specialized pointer, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will hit $0.0395 toward the finish of December, or so they thought. By December 2023-2024, Gala's transient 50-day SMA really shows a $0.0468, which generally is very critical. The overall strength list, RSI, energy oscillator in every practical sense, is a famous pointer that signals whether a digital money most certainly is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70. Amazingly, RSI by and large is presently at or civilu. This shows that the in every practical sense, Gala market certainly is in a nonpartisan position, or so they especially thought. Gala value expectation 2023. In the primary 7-day stretch of January 2023, very Gala came to $0.0618 when it explicitly dipped under $0.0164, interestingly since January 2021 in an unobtrusive manner. As indicated by the financial backers and market sends out, Gala is en route to passing the $0.0888 mark before the current year's over, which is very huge. Before $0.0888, it might break its characteristic of 84 cents and arrive at in an especially significant manner. As indicated by the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Gala will break its past all-time especially high of 84 cents and truly hold somewhere in the range of $0.0826 and $0.0888 soon. At this point, on 25 February 2023, in every practical sense, Gala in a real sense is exchanging at $0.0404, and its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 158.27 M, and it for the most part makes number 134 cash in the entire crypto world. In a significant manner, Gala value expectation 2024. There is plausible that Gala can get through the 11 cents hindrance and hold the market toward the finish of 2024, really in spite of mainstream thinking. The least kind of Gala cost will be between $0.0870 to 11 cents, and the most probable sort of Gala cost will generally be consistent at around $0.0984 toward the finish of 2024. Despite Gala's certainly wild swings in esteem, and the contention encompassing its earth disagreeable energy utilization, extremely rich person adventure truly entrepreneur Tim Draper is adhering to his expectation that Gala will for the most part reach 11 cents toward the finish of 2024, or in every practical sense, mid-2024. Incredibly, Gala value forecasts 2025 by 2024. Market investigators and specialists anticipate that most certainly Gala will essentially begin the year at 12 cents and exchange around 15 cents. sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. As per their expectations, this would in every way that really matters be very sort of high contrasted with kind of a year ago. This is actually a satisfactory leap in Bitcoin. Gala Value Expectation 2026. There is a decent opportunity that Gala 2026 value forecast will truly twofold in cost, yet it generally is likewise in every practical sense conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal greatest 19 cents level in a for the most part huge manner. Gala explicitly is anticipated to, in a real sense, arrive at an unequaled fundamentally high of 18 cents or 19 cents in 2026, and it very well may be the extended time of Gala, which is very critical. Gala Value Expectation 2027 Gala Value Forecast, or Gala, will encounter huge development in 2027, as it in a real sense can possibly fundamentally accomplish new highs. As far as price tags and market cap, Gala's cost is supposed to generally outperform 19 cents in 2027. It has been basically anticipated that Gala will, for the most part, arrive at the greatest cost of 19 cents, and the base cost by and large is supposed to be around 16 cents in the following a long time from 2027. Gala figure 2028 market examiners and specialists foresee say that reasonably Gala value expectation and specialized examination, very Gala, is supposed to sort of cross a value level of 21 cents in 2028. Which sort of is genuinely huge. In the meantime, in every way that really matters, Gala is supposed to arrive at a kind of least cost of 19 cents this year. The most extreme cost might reach 22 cents. In a significant manner, Gala Value Forecast 2029 by the start of 2029. The sort of Gala value expectation and specialized examination foresee that the expense of Gala will for the most part reach 29 cents. And the cost of sort of Gala ought to essentially reach 29 cents before the year is over in a significant manner. What's more, Gala can reach up to 27 cents in cost in a huge manner from 2024 to 2029. Delay will sort of bring critical years for sort of Gala development. Gala Value Expectation 2030 of every 2030. Gala Value Forecast are supposed to for the most part cross the 42 cents genuinely normal cost level, as per Gala gauge and specialized examination, in an especially large manner. Toward the finish of 2030, Gala's base cost especially is supposed to be 39 cents, which is very huge. Furthermore, very Gala can arrive at a most extreme value level of 42 cents incredibly. Toward the finish of 2030, Gala will have a kind of typical cost of 42 cents. Or so they in every way that really matters thought. The crypto market expects a critical cost shift, or so they generally thought. Gala Value Forecast 2031 Gala value sort of is assessed to in a real sense reach 56 cents by 2031, at especially least, with an in every way that really matters normal exchanging cost of 58 cents all through 2031. Gala's worth could truly come to 58 cents at its practically the most noteworthy.